Welcome to my channel, History of Islamic Scholarship.
Al-Khwarizmi has the real name Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, who was a man born in Bukhara and residing in Khwarizm, which is currently the Khiva region, Uzbekistan around 780 AD, and he died in Baghdad around 850 AD. Al-Khwarizmi is someone who is an expert in the fields of astronomy, astrology, geography, and especially in the field of mathematics. He is known as an expert in mathematics because he was the inventor of zero and also algebra. Al-Khwarizmi is also known by other names Abu Abdullah Muhammad bin Ahmad bin Yusuf, Al-Khwarizmi, Al-Khwarizmi, Al-Khawarizmi, and several other names by Westerners. Al-Khwarizmi's educational journey. When Al-Khwarizmi was small, his parents invited him to move to an area south of Baghdad. It was from here that Al-Khwarizmi's interest in science began to develop, which can be seen through his enthusiasm. Until finally, when he was in his teens, he was appointed a member of Bayt al-Hikmah, which is also commonly referred to as the House of Wisdom during the Caliphate of Harun al-Rashid 786-809 AD. Bayt al-Hikmah itself is an intellectual research center, translator, large library, as well as a gathering space for scientists during the Golden Age of Islam. Bayt al-Hikmah was founded by Caliph Harun al-Rashid, and its golden peak occurred when his son, namely al-Mamun, took office. Until Bayt al-Hikmah was appointed as a formal institution, this happened because Caliph al-Mamun realized that science was the key to civilization. Since al-Khwarizmi became a member of Bayt al-Hikmah, he has worked as a scientist there. During that time, he always pursued various sciences, especially mathematics and natural sciences. He is also someone who is very open to various sources of knowledge wherever this knowledge comes from, whether from India, Greece, or Rome, which in turn makes him someone who always devotes himself to science and scientific research. Al-Khwarizmi also studied several languages such as Greek and Sanskrit due to his love for science. Furthermore, when he had mastered these languages, he began translating several books, such as a book on astronomy originating from India with the title Siddhanta, which he translated into Arabic. Then there is also a book written by Ptolemy, one of the Greek scientists, which contains geography, which he managed to translate. It was from his language skills that made Al-Khwarizmi even more great and brilliant in his knowledge and thoughts. Al-Khwarizmi's openness in adopting various sources of knowledge allowed him to produce various works that are still used today. Among these works, the most famous is Al-Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jabr wal-Muqabala, the compendious book on calculation by completion and balancing, which is a book by Al-Khwarizmi in which the use of secants and tangents for astronomical and trigonometry investigations. The material in this book is one of the important foundations in algebra in the current era, and algebra is currently one of the most studied learning topics in the world. In this book, Al-Khwarizmi formulates 800 examples of mathematical problems that have been proven true, some of which are questions raised by Neo-Babylon in the form of conjectures. One of the reasons for making the Al-Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jabr wal-Muqabala is because Al-Khwarizmi found many mistakes and problems that were difficult to understand from the thoughts of the Greek scientist by the name of Diophantus, which in the end made Al-Khwarizmi start perfecting algebra. He discovered the concept of differentiation and created a trigonometry table which contains sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent. Because of this discovery, Al-Khwarizmi has been named the father of algebra, which even Western thinkers recognize his prowess. Apart from algebra, in the field of mathematics, Al-Khwarizmi also introduced geometry, arithmetic, and many others. Al-Khwarizmi is also well known in the field of phallic science, or commonly referred to as astronomy, which is a natural science that studies celestial bodies and natural phenomena that occur outside the Earth, including phenomena in the Earth's upper atmosphere that originate from outer space, such as meteors and aurorae. Thank you for watching my video. Hope it's useful.